Every single second, startups fail. It's not because they have bad ideas or lack ambition. It's because something nobody talks about loudly enough is missing. True impact measurement that actually means something. Something real, not just numbers on a paper. The brutal truth? Most founders and investors drown in vanity metrics, chasing shiny reports that fool them into thinking success is just around the corner. But it's not. It's a trap. A sick game where failure is dressed up as progress and everyone pretends to win. You know this feeling when you pour everything into a startup? Your time, energy, money, only to watch it crash because you ignored what really counts. Not revenue, not growth for growth's sake, but actual impact. The kind that changes lives, communities, economies. But how do you measure that? How can you predict if your investment will transform the world or vanish into the void? This is the fight, finding meaning in chaos, a beacon in the storm. Here's what nobody tells you. Impact measurement isn't about ticking boxes or reporting numbers to look good in front of the board. It's about uncovering the truth beneath the surface. It's about asking, loud and clear, what difference have we made? Who lives better because we existed? If your startup can't answer that, it's doomed. No amount of buzzwords or investor hype will mask the emptiness inside. Impact measurement predicts success only if done right. Deep, honest, relentless. Not just how many users, but how many lives changed. How many voices empowered. How many systems broken and rebuilt. But here's the catch. Most measurement systems are designed to protect the status quo, to keep you playing small, safe, conventional. You must break out, rip apart the spreadsheets, and meet reality face to face. Forget dusty frameworks that glorify superficial data. Build your own impact metrics that align with the world you want to create. That means demanding right now from every startup you touch. What problem do you solve that no one else dares dream of? How do you know it's working? How can you prove it without lying to yourself? This brutal honesty is the oxygen of impact investing. Without it, you're chasing ghosts. Investors, stop throwing money at flashy pitches that sparkle but contain no fire. Ask hard questions. Demand impact maps, clear cause-effect chains, real feedback from the ground. Founders, stop crafting empty narratives. Fight to build transparent, testable, dynamic impact systems from day one. Because guess what? Impact is not static. It's alive. It mutates, grows, sometimes fails to hit the mark. Measuring impact isn't just about proving success. It's about learning faster, adapting harder, evolving beyond what anyone ever thought possible. The solution is right here, right now. Fold impact measurement into your very identity. Let it guide every decision, every pivot, every strategy. Forget jumping through investor hoops for applause. Build a system that scares the comfortable, that shakes the foundations of everything expected. Create impact metrics that refuse to lie, that expose weak spots, that call for radical change. That's the path that separates the few who will change the world from the many who only talk about it. This isn't for the faint-hearted. It's for leaders who hate complacency, who see failure not as defeat, but as data. For those who burn to transform the system, not maintain it. Because the truth is this: startups that measure impact in the simplest, rawest, most brutal ways, they don't just survive. They dominate. They shape futures. They ignite revolutions. So, here's the order. Stop hiding behind polished presentations. Tear down the illusions. Dive into the messy, gut-wrenching reality of what your startup does and what it must do to matter. Build impact measurement that predicts not just success, but legacy. Measure the change you ignite, the lives rewired, the systems crushed and rebuilt better. Hold yourself accountable like your future depends on it. Because it does. If you want to turn your startup into a force no system can stop, if you want your investments to light fires beyond profit, then start measuring impact like your life depends on it. This is the revolution every founder, investor, and leader must join. Because this fight, it's not just about survival. It's about rising up, breaking free from the illusions, shaping a new world with your own two hands. Get ready. The future belongs to those who see beyond numbers, who live by impact, who refuse to accept anything less than real, raw, unstoppable change.